Ako na dito, trick. Complicated. Yung stats.
First one. Takin po, both players, ay both teams. Takin lang po, dito po natin. Takin po, both teams. Nasa series na po tayo. Takin po, pinag-iigal tayo.
Okay, let's get it on for our semifinals. Onyx versus Yellow with the win.
Okay. Champion. First possession para sa Onyx Basketball. Mali. Pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz, two-pointer. 2 points by De La Cruz. First basket para kay De La Cruz. 2 points. Number 4. Paso de point to Hernandez. Good. Rebound by Nepomuceno. Wala. Save point. Goal! Nepomuceno. Pass to number 8. Number 37. 2 points by jersey number 37. Wait lang po. De La Cruz. Pass to Rosso. Back to Vejer. 2 points by jersey number 7. To Watson. Number 4. Faith. Pass to number 8. Jersey number 8. Pass to number 7. About Joshua. Joshua. 2 points by Joshua. Keboy. Basket is good by Keboy. This color. Foul by jersey number 9. De La Cruz. Lari number number 7. 2 points by jersey number 7. Joshua. Pass to Vejer. Up to De La Cruz. Rebound. No good. Rebound by number 7. Outlet pa siya number 1. So there. 2 points by jersey number 1. Joshua. Back to no good. Rebound by number 7. Keboy. Back to number 4. Number 4, nakalusot. Rebound by Nepomuceno. 2 points by Nepomuceno. Joshua na kapitan. Save ball. Last 7 minutes. 16 seconds to shoot. De La Cruz, number 7, number 4, 2 points by jersey number 4. Score po natin. 6, 12. De La Cruz. 15 to shoot. De La Cruz, 2 points by De La Cruz. Number 4. Passes number 8. Number 8. Jump ball. Onyx Basketball. Quebroy. Quebroy ba yan? Quebroy yung ulo. Paunahin De La Cruz. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Hanap yung pa. Second personal foul De La Cruz. Ulitin ko, second personal foul. Second team foul. Unang free throw kay Gerway, basket. Pangalawang puslo. Basket ulit. Joshua. Joshua pa rin. Joshua. Pasa. Number 11. Paso De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Short. Rebound tayo. Nebusero pa rin. Back to number 4. Number 4. Perimeter. All good. Rebound by number 11. Nakagawa ng pasa. Number 7. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Ito sa family. Violation. Good for the red. Yes, I believe. 25 seconds. Nagmamadali. Kaso number 11. Number 11. Lagyan ng press.
May ba?
May 5 minutes na tayo.
May ano?
Wala. 2 points na lang. Number 11.
Open sa.
2 points. 2 points lang po. Wala pa tayo sa.
Open sa. Open sa.
Wala pa tayo sa. Offense up tayo. Okay, 3 points sila. So,
Open sa.
technically na kabilang grupo.
Score 14-8.
Team 10. 14-10 ang score. Number 8. Dinobati. Pangka number 7. Number 7. Lumibot. Nakalusot. Sweet move. Score po natin. Team 10. Lamang na tayo ng dalawang swings pa natin. Kuya Warren. Kuya Warren. Gerway. Gerway. Kuya Pro. De La Cruz. Pasok na natin. Nice pass by De La Cruz. Tulong by 19. Reserve substitution. Reserve substitution. Reserve. Number 4. Number 4. Wow. Good number. Pushing foul by jersey number 34. First vertical foul. Third team foul. Number 4. Number 4 pa rin. Paso by Troy. Get Troy. Troy na natin. Grabe yun. Third Robert, offense basketball. Gerway, paso number 7. Foul. Shooting foul by jersey number 18. First personal foul. Fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. Offense basketball. 2 shots by jersey number 7. Sa balay ang unang rito.
Kabila.
Grabe yun! Baby snap on the move! Number 12. Paso naman ang team. Paso dito. Score natin. 15-24. by number 97. Back to number 4. Number 4. Back to Medyo. Medyo. To the number 3. Number 7. Number 7 right? Akin ako. Back to Medyo. Medyo. Tumingin. Back to number 7. Nakabigyan ng bola. Number 12. De La Cruz. Back to number 12. Number 12. Basket by number 12. Foul by number 4. First foul. First rebound. Score natin. 17-27. Labanan sa 2. Ang Yellow Sweets natin. 2 free throw by number 12. Ay, isang picture lang pala. Siya na lang po. Ang kaalaman. Keboy. Tumira na naman. Keboy sa right. Rebound by De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Nagaling ng papasahan. De La Cruz pa rin. Back to Warren. Back to number 19. Back to De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Pwede shoots. Rebound by just number 4. Number 4. Number 4. Nakalusot. 2 points by jersey number 4. De La Cruz. Okay na yan. De La Cruz. Save ball. Zero. Go good. Rebound by number 7. Number 7. Number 4. Number 4. Number 4. Perimeter. 2 points by jersey number 4. Score for natin. 18-21. Last 1 minute and 50 seconds. Matagal pa ating race. Matagal na. Warren. Tumira na. Press. No good. Rebound by number 7. Back to Keboy. Keboy. Nakasama na sa likod. Dito na ako. Number 19. No good na number 19. Number 1. Keboy. Keboy. No good. Rebound by De La Cruz. Back to 19. Back to number 7. Foul by jersey number 5. First personal foul. Second team foul. 18-31. Last 1 minute and 21 seconds. Sa malayang unang free throw. Pangalawang gusto. Sa balaw na rin. Sabi ng bola na bola number 7. Number 4. No good. Rebound by Warren. Back to number 1. Arcega. Back to De La Cruz. De La Cruz. 2 points by Harley. De La Cruz. 20-35. Laban ng 11. Pedro, short. Nice pass by Arcega. 2 points by Harley De La Cruz. 22-35. Last 47 seconds. Number 4. Back to Keboy. 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 Medyo. Number 37. Number 37. 2 points by jersey number 37. Baby Shark. Arcega. Kingo. Single po tayo. 22 seconds. Dino. Foul. Usual na. 37. First personal foul. 13 foul. Basket. Ang murang free throw. Sa balay. Rebound by number 4. Last 10 seconds. Number 37. Number 37. 2 points by Baby Shark. 4 seconds.